Team, let's address Mr. Grayson's post-op complications. He's developed atrial fibrillation with a heart rate of 130, but his blood pressure remains stable at 110/70. However, his oxygen saturation dropped to 88% overnight, likely due to pleural effusion, though his chest X-ray shows no pneumothorax. We've started him on 4-amiodarone and supplemental oxygen. Any concerns?
Could the effusion be masking a pulmonary embolism? His D-dimer was borderline elevated yesterday.
Unlikely. His Wells score is low, and he's on prophylactic heparin. Focus on diuresis for the effusion. The bigger issue is his rising creatinine 1.9 today, up from 1.4. Hold his metformin and monitor for contrast-induced nephropathy post-angiogram.
Understood, Mihira. Should we delay his CT given the renal risk?
No, the angiogram's priority. But hydrate aggressively post-procedure. Oh, and his potassium's 5.6, so withhold his ACE inhibitor.
I understand that seeing new problems with your skin can be worrying, Mihira. It is helpful to think of our skin as a window that shows us how healthy we are on the inside. Right now, it is very likely that your skin issues are being caused by what you eat and drink. When you do not drink enough water, your skin becomes dry and loses its strength. This makes it much harder for your body to fix itself, which is a big concern since we're trying to heal your foot ulcer. To help you get better, it is very important that you make some small but vital changes to your daily routine. The most important step is to drink more water throughout the day. Water helps wash away toxins and keeps your skin healthy and soft. Along with drinking more fluids, eating a balanced diet full of vitamins will give your body the building blocks it needs to repair skin tissue. By making these changes to your diet, you are giving your body the right fuel to stop new skin problems from starting.